Building trust, the key to successful international teams. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll delve into a significant part of international business culture: developing trust. Trust forms the bedrock of any successful relationship, especially in international teams where different cultures, backgrounds, and work ethics come together. So, let's understand the essentials of building trust. When working with international teams, you're dealing with diverse cultures, time zones, and communication styles. Trust ensures that misunderstandings are minimized, collaboration becomes smoother, productivity is boosted because team members feel secure. It bridges the cultural gap, allowing for mutual respect. Before building trust, it's important to recognize potential obstacles. 1. Cultural differences. Some cultures may be more reserved, while others are open. 2. Language barriers. Miscommunication can happen if team members aren't fluent in a common language. 3. Different time zones. Delays in responses can lead to feelings of being ignored. 4. Virtual communication. Lack of face-to-face interactions can lead to misunderstandings. Here are some steps to foster trust within international teams. 1. Open communication. Always be transparent. Encourage team members to express concerns or ask questions. 2. Consistency. Be predictable in actions and decisions. It assures team members of stability. 3. Cultural awareness. Understand and respect each team member's cultural background. Celebrate cultural events or holidays to bring the team closer. 4. Reliability. Deliver on promises. If you say you'll do something, ensure you do it. 5. Feedback. Constructive feedback helps in personal and professional growth. Also, be open to receiving feedback. Building trust is just the beginning. Maintaining it is continuous work. 1. Regular check-ins. Schedule regular meetings to discuss ongoing projects, concerns, or even just to catch up. 2. Conflict resolution. Address any misunderstandings or conflicts immediately and impartially. 3. Team building activities. Organize virtual team building sessions. This can be as simple as a virtual coffee break. There you have it. Trust isn't just a word. It's an action, a continuous effort. In international teams, it's the glue that binds members from diverse backgrounds. So, focus on building and maintaining trust, and watch your team thrive. We hope you found this video enlightening. Remember, with trust, the world becomes a smaller, more collaborative space. Happy learning!